Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to record on clouds with Zoom. So first, you need to sign in your in your Zoom web portal and go to the settings. So if you don't have already an account, you will just sign up with your Google account or Facebook or just create a new account. After that, we will go to the settings. But first, you need to make sure that you have like a premium version of Zoom because it is the only version that support to have cloud recording. So to uh, upgrade your Zoom plan, you will just click on the plans and pricing, and you will uh, choose the plan that you desire. So after that, you will just click on upgrade and it will redirect you to filing or the payment window. So then you will just fill in your information and filing information and just click continue and proceed to the purchase. After that, you will have your subscription that will be updated, and then you will go to the Zoom again and go to the settings portal after clicking my account and go to settings here and go to the recordings tab. So here you will find something added that is called cloud recording and not local recording. So as you can see, I have only local recording here enabled because I have only the free plan of Zoom. So after you are upgrading your Zoom version, you will have the cloud recording, and you should make sure that you have it uh, here included or enabled. After you click on enable, you will have like this. Yeah, it will pop up like a message of confirmation and click enable, and you will have now the cloud recording feature. Then you should go to your desktop application or Zoom desktop client, and here you will find the record option here, and you should click. You should have let's just end, and we will go to the settings here and we'll choose here like this, and here in the recording settings you will have something called you will have some option concerning the cloud recording, and you will have when you will join meetings or creating meetings, you will have the recordings that will be uh, uh, saved in your clouds. So basically, this is how you can record on your cloud with Zoom. Thank you for watching and goodbye.